In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create a slideshow effect just like the one you see using Bootstrap. So to get started, go to the Bootstrap website, go to the components and then the carousels. There we can be able to check the ones we need. Visit carousels, there are the fading. In fact, you just scroll through and then find the carousel or the slideshow or the slide effect you need. Then you copy the code. Now you go to the CDN links. Then when you copy the CDN, the CSS, you paste the CSS in the head section. And then the JavaScript, you paste it just before the closing or the tag. Now you can come back, then change the images to the desired image of your choice. That way, you can be able to add the images you want to see in the slideshow, slide effect. And that is all you have to do. You can then go back and see how it looks like. You can be able to also use adjust your width and your height and any other thing. So this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching.